Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make vegan Makhlouta, vegan chili. So we call it Lebanese chili. What you need for that, you need the beans, all kind of beans. You need burghul, cumin, main spice. I got it seeds and then I grind it because it will keep the flavor strong. You need salt, pepper, certain spices, and here you need onion. I already start saute them. Here I have water I already boiled. So I'm gonna put my beans and I'm gonna check the water to see if it's enough. You see? You need it just a little bit in top, like about 1 inch. And now, when you have the beans ready, it's very fast dish. Just put the onion. And now I'm gonna put the spices. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons cumin. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon 7 spices. And you try later, maybe you need more cumin or you have to add more salt. So just put the basic like that. So don't forget to add the burghul and add it, cover it and let it simmer. This dish, it's good when it's like simmer all day. You usually put it on the stove, and let it cook all day. But now, because we are going to do this video fast, so I'm showing you the fastest way. So if you have a slow cooker, this dish, it will be great if you cook it very slow. Let it take their time and you'll have the best makhlouta, the best chili. We used to cook it, my mom, she used to put it all day on the stove in the winter, and the slowest the better for this. But now, because we are showing this video fast, so I show it to you that it's a fast dish. But trust me, if you cook it slow, it will be much better. Now all what you need, just let it cook, and that's it. This is the whole dish. So let's wait for it until it get cooked and we'll be back. So I'm gonna see if the burghul is soft. Yup, it's done and it's delicious. So our vegan chili is ready. You see, it's not too thick, it's not too loose. So our dish is finished. Thank you for watching me and I will see you next week. Bye.